A poor farmer relied on the rain for his farming, but struggled with drought, leading him to dig a pond to collect water. And in the next harvest, his irrigation efforts resulted in a bountiful yield, inspiring everyone in the village with his hard work and wisdom. As the farmer celebrated with his family in their modest home, filled with the fruits of his labor, the villagers came together to discuss how they could adopt his water conservation techniques on their own farms, inspired by the transformation he had brought to their community. With enthusiasm, the farmer began teaching the eager villagers how to construct small ponds and utilize effective irrigation techniques, spreading knowledge and hope, while the village transformed into a landscape of thriving fields filled with green crops as neighbors worked collaboratively, inspired by his innovative methods. With determination, the farmer planted seeds in the fertile soil, his focus evident as the sunlight highlighted his commitment to nurturing the land. And soon after, the village gathered to celebrate a joyful harvest festival adorned with bright decorations and families feasting on traditional dishes, where the farmer was honored for his leadership and dedication to transforming their agricultural practices. During the festival, the farmer stood proudly on a small stage recounting his journey and inspiring others to adopt sustainable farming practices, while captivated villagers hung on to his every word as children played nearby, their laughter echoing through the air, adding to the vibrant atmosphere of community and joy. Together with his family, the farmer engaged in a community effort to plant trees, promoting environmental sustainability, while sharing smiles and laughter as villagers gathered around to discuss their growth plans and future farming innovations, fostering a spirit of collaboration and commitment to their land. An aerial view revealed the transformation of the village, where lush green fields, thriving trees, and a network of shimmering ponds sparkled in the sunlight, exemplifying the positive change brought about by the farmer's initiatives, while he sat contemplatively on a hillside, reflecting on his remarkable journey as the sunset bathed the village in a warm glow, symbolizing hope and a prosperous future. Gathered around him, children listened intently as the farmer shared captivating stories about agriculture and the importance of environmental stewardship. Their faces lit with wonder and curiosity, while a community meeting unfolded beneath a sprawling tree, where villagers engaged in discussions about future projects and exchanged ideas, all inspired by the farmer's visionary approach. United in purpose, the farmer stood alongside local leaders, signing a community agreement aimed at preserving water resources and promoting sustainable farming practices, symbolizing a powerful bond among them, while the nearby market bustled with energy as villagers proudly showcased their fresh produce, reflecting the success of their collaborative efforts and the shared joy of a thriving community. In a large hall, the farmer led a workshop, passionately teaching community members about innovative farming techniques as they eagerly took notes and engaged in spirited discussions, while outside a group of village women showcased their creativity and resourcefulness by crafting handmade items from agricultural materials, further enriching the community's connection to their land. The farmer and his family joyfully celebrated yet another successful harvest, surrounded by neighbors, as they feasted on an array of locally grown food, sharing heartfelt stories of their respective farming journeys, while a picturesque sunset illuminated the village, casting gentle silhouettes of families working together harmoniously in their fields under the warm, fading light. In a heartwarming scene, the farmer was kneeling down to plant seeds in a community garden, with children eagerly joining him, their faces beaming with excitement as they learned through this hands-on experience, while a colorful banner hung proudly above the garden, celebrating the village's commitment to sustainable practices, decorated with imaginative drawings created by the children. Standing proudly alongside a group of young apprentices in the garden, the farmer celebrated their initiative as they each held a small plant, symbolizing the bright future of sustainable farming. While later that evening, a warm community gathering took place, illuminated by soft lantern light, where villagers openly shared their hopes and dreams for the next generation, fostering a strong sense of unity and support among them. With enthusiasm, the farmer demonstrated proper planting techniques to a diverse group of villagers, all eager to absorb his knowledge against the backdrop of vibrant crops swaying gently in the breeze, while later a joyful harvest event erupted into life, filled with lively music and dance as families celebrated their collective achievements, showcasing their fresh produce and sharing laughter under the joyous atmosphere.